What is up, Avid Armor Fam? We hope you all had an amazing new year, and we truly can't wait to see what this year holds. Now, whether you have one of our sealers already or are looking to purchase one, we want you to know all there is to know about them so that when you open that box, you are ready to go. So this video is going to serve as a guide to point you in the right direction so that you can know all there is to know about your sealer. Starting off with our AVS 7900, if you click the top right hand corner of this video, we did an unboxing and walkthrough of this machine. Now whenever I'm talking about a playlist or a video in this video, a white box will appear in the top right hand corner. That's actually going to be a link to whatever it is I'm talking about at that time. So if you click through, it'll take you through to that video. Next is our A100, and this is a playlist. So with this, you're able to go and select specific videos you want to see, or you can just grab some snacks, sit back, and let them all play. After that, we have another unboxing and walkthrough using our A420 vacuum sealer. And to follow that up, we're also doing the same with our Magic Vac Maxima 2 vacuum sealer. Moving on to some of our most anticipated how-to videos, here's the link to our USV20 playlist, where we cover everything from sealing your first bag to changing out your gaskets. And finally, here's our playlist for our USV32 chamber vacuum sealer, where we go through bag placement, replacing seal bars, liquids, so much more. As a side note, we're currently in production of our walkthrough videos for our Magic Vac Jumbo 30 Evo Plus, and once we have them all published, I'll link them above as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you are able to use this video as a guide to point you in the right direction. If you guys have any questions or if we didn't cover anything in the walkthrough videos that you want covered, please leave it down below in the comment. And if you like our content and want to see more like it, please hit that like and subscribe button. This has been Parker from Avid Armor. We'll catch you next time.